What's up, guys? It's Saturday. We're standing out here in front of a very nice guest house apartment building. And the reason for that is because we are apartment hunting. Now, we're not apartment hunting for ourselves. But my buddy is coming to town for his to live here in Siem Reap. He's spent a few days in Phnom Penh. He had an Airbnb lined up for a couple days. That fell through. He's going to be here in a few hours, and we do not want him to spend his first night in Siem Reap on the streets. So we are out and about, looking at different places for him. They do have this nice restaurant and store right across the street from. It's actually a guest house, but they do monthly rentals. That was a really nice apartment. I didn't have my camera ready. I took some pictures for him, sent them to him, because he's going to make the final decision. But it was really nice. Nice, good sized room. Nice bathroom. Had a TV, wardrobe, aircon, Wi-Fi, and even a pool. The guest house has a pool for $200 a month, plus your electric and water usage. And it's right back here in this little alley. It's a dead end back here, so that means there's not going to be a lot of traffic. And if you look up there, that is my road. That is Street 20. So it's this little alley right before you get to the place I buy my coffee from. But they got all kinds of guest houses down here. That's mainly all it is. A little store and a restaurant. But it's good for you're not going to get a lot of traffic noise and things. But that's just the first one. There was some confusion at first. I was told the lady that showed us the room, when I asked how much, she said $150, and I thought that was an incredible deal. So I sent him the pictures and the information. And then she went somewhere while I was out looking at the pool, talking to one of the other people that lived there. Really nice guy. And then she came back and said she had made a mistake and it was $200. So I think either way, that's still a good deal. Because like I said, I pay $170 and I don't have a pool. I don't have a TV. Well, here's a little restaurant just a few steps away. So yeah, it's a nice little alley. But we're going to go look at a couple more. Of course, I'll take you guys with me. People always seem to want to know about the apartments. And I will have pictures of this one because I couldn't take video. Well, I could have, but I would have had to get out my gimbal and get it all set up. And right now, the priority is just finding him an apartment. But I'll have pictures. And those will be up on my Facebook page. If you want to go look at that, the link is down below in the description. They should be up by the time you listen to this. Single Eye is back there talking. I swear, man, we could walk for miles. We could walk for miles without me getting out my phone, filming any video. Excuse me. And then as soon as I do, she wants to sit there and talk for 20 minutes. Which makes very, very boring video. I keep telling her I can't just stand around in one place. Finally. But anyway, like I said, we're going to go look at a couple more places. That's the thing I like about Cambodia. The thing I tell people all the time, I wrote about it in my book, Live in Cambodia. There's a link for that down below in the description as well. But that the last thing you have to worry about is finding an apartment or a place to live here. There's just too many options. No paperwork. Well, there's probably a contract involved, but no. All you need is the first month's rent and the deposit. You don't need a credit check. You don't need anything else. Well, you will need your passport, of course, so they can make a copy. But that's it. If you got the money, you can move in. All right, so we're going to go look at a couple more. And like I said, this right here is Street 20. Right there is the local. I live right down that way. So when you step out of the alley, you're back in the city. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys when we get to the next one. Alright guys, apartment number 2, let me show it to you real quick. It's a studio, but it's a very nice studio. Very clean, it's got the fan up there. TV, aircon. Nice big refrigerator. It's also got a kitchen area in here. And a bathroom. Yeah. Very nice for $150 a month. Got all kinds of remote controls up here. I don't know why. All right. So that was apartment number 2. It's right over here. It's right across from Watbo. Here's the grounds right here, as you can see. Let me show you the building. See? And right out there is, right across is Watbo. Right there. That's part of Watbo. Right across the street. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, we're a little bit further down, but we're still close to Watbo. There's a big school right there, and there's the apartment. We're gonna go take a look. Hello. It's on the ground floor. It's 180.
Yeah, you can put the
Motorbike parking.
Yes, I have the machine box.
Ooh, this is pretty nice. Yeah, yeah. Nice refrigerator. Ooh, big kitchen area. Very nice big kitchen area. You got the
And the top wall for the
cupboards down there. Got a little pod. Ooh, nice paintings on the wall. I like those. And look, even a little cutting board and
yeah.
knives.
I have the cooking for the plant and this. You can open the door.
Oh, even though it's on the ground floor, you don't get a balcony, but you got a big door right here. As you can see, you can open the door, a little seating area. Ooh, this is pretty nice. There's a fan, there's the aircon in the bedroom. Oh, I like this painting. I like that.
Yes.
That is very nice. TV,
TV.
little wardrobe desk kind of thing. Hello guys. Wow.
And the bathroom.
Ooh. Oh, I like that too. I dig these paintings here. Look at that. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, and wow, this is a fancy bathroom, man. This is fancy. Look at that. Nice shower. Ooh, 3 of them. 3 shower heads, guys. Look, 3. With a nice electric heater. And of course, if you want to see the toilets, although I don't know why, little hooks over there to hang your towels. This is probably my favorite one, to tell you the truth. Wow, this is pretty nice. All right, this one is $180 a month. So that's a really good price. Let me check on this. And has Wi-Fi?
Yes, free the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi full. Yeah.
Good Wi-Fi?
Energy Wi-Fi. Yes.
Good Wi-Fi. So.
Good Wi-Fi.
All right. This is, and look, ground floor. You don't have to walk upstairs with your water bottle. It's right here. That's pretty good. All right. That's the third one. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me get this out to Aaron. All right, guys. So those were the 3 apartments we found for Aaron. Leave a comment below. Tell me which one you think he chose out of all 3. Or leave a comment and let me know which one you would have picked out of all 3. Like I said, I didn't get a video of the first one. I do have pictures. You can look at my Facebook or you can see them at the beginning of this video. Matter of fact, we're in a pass app now. We're on our way to go pick up Aaron. They dropped him off too far away to walk. It's like a 45-minute walk according to Google Maps. So he's way out in an alley somewhere, way out in the boonies, as we used to say. But we should be there shortly. We're stuck behind this little food truck. Anyway, those I just wanted to say that those apartments are just ones I found by doing the same thing you do when you want a job, just walking around, looking at places, asking questions. They're all within a real short distance from each other. So we didn't have to walk a long way, we didn't have to walk far. Matter of fact, the last 2 are really, really close together, location-wise. The one for 150 and the one for 180. The one for 200, like I said, that's a little bit further down because it's right down the road for me. And it's in an area where there's a lot of guest houses and things, so. I'm assuming it was a little more because of the pool. Usually places that have a pool are going to charge you a little bit more per month. So I guess if you use a pool a lot, if that's your thing, then that might be worth it to you. But if not, places like that, you can go in and for like $3 a day or however much, a little bit of money, they'll let you use their pool for a few hours. So if it's something you just want to do from time to time, I mean, why, you know, no need to pay an extra 30, 50 bucks for an apartment. Another fun fact, I have not been in a pool. I've not been swimming since I've been here. So if I'm ever going to look for another apartment, that's not going to be an issue for me. Talk to you guys later. Alright guys, so did you write down in the comments which one you think he would take? Is it the $200 apartment? Is it the $150 apartment? Or is it the $180 apartment? Aaron, tell them which one you took. There he is.
I went with the most affordable apartment.
Oh, that one went out of focus. I think it's trying to focus behind you. Ah, he's out of focus, or he might have psychic powers. I don't know, but this is the one. $150 apartment, right here on the other side of Watbo, right around the corner from my apartment. And they're just getting it all ready for him too. I guess the I didn't know this earlier, but the tenant that was living here just moved out yesterday, so they haven't had a time to really clean and prepare it the way they like it. But there it is right there. $150 one. He made the wise choice because it's the cheapest option. So there's Aaron, first time on my channel. His channel is, of course, in the description down below, Aaron in Cambodia. And you can check that out. There's Sang Lai over there. Say hello. And the good thing is, right outside here, he can come here anytime and get himself a coffee. He's lucky he doesn't have to walk far. There's a coffee stand right there. And they have little things they sell out here during the day. And hello, kitty kitty. Hello. Say hello. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube. Nope. Oh, good kitty. Good kitty. Hi, kitty. There you go. Yeah. It's very rare that cats let me pet them. This is weird. Let's see here. Yeah, there you go, kitty. There you go. All right, but he's here. He's home now. And everything is going to be okay. Go right up that way. Turn the first corner. And right about over there on the other side of this road is my apartment. So it's really close. Get them out, show them around the city. And it'll all be good. We're going to go home now and leave him to it. It's all set. All he's got to do is sign his lease, hand over the payment, get a copy of his passport, and he is all set. Let me back up away from this car. And there's another little stand over there, as you can see, that sells all kinds of goodies and snacks too. So if he needs a snack, if he needs a coffee, he doesn't even really have to put his flip-flops on. It's all right here. So those other two apartments are still available. If anybody needs one or is interested in it, let me know. I can give you the location the best I can. And to check them out. All right. That's going to do it for this one. We will have some collaborations on videos in the future. Of course, he just came from a long bus trip from Phnom Penh. Hasn't gotten much sleep the last couple of days because, you know, he's excited to be here. So he's finally getting his new home set up. So we'll get the collabs going later. All right. I will talk to you guys in the next one.